It's your girl. I'm putting on my glasses, cause I'm looking crazy. It's your girl India back with another video. So, oops, I'm here hiking to the lake with my dad. And I just said, let me just bring y'all with me. My hair look crazy right now. I know. But let's go. Before we get into this, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Be a part of the goal. Wait, what was the name I had for y'all? Oh, when I find it, I'm gonna tell y'all. Wait, see, it's at that end. You can't go nowhere. Go where? Lord help me. Ouch, I bit my tongue. Okay, so I found it. Y'all gonna be, not you. Y'all gonna be called the DGGs, okay? Dripping Gold Gang. Y'all like that? So to be a part of the Dripping Gold Gang, subscribe to my channel. Ow! This video is a hot mess, yes? Cause this man feel he's Dora the Explorer. He's Darren the Explorer. Ooh. Yo. Lord help me. I don't want to die like this. See, look. There's nowhere to go. And he finding my way. And when I see this, I think snake and big spider. I really can't do this, you know. Oi, 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 oi. Really? I'm not doing this again, so next time, if you want to go through bushes, I'll wait for you by the road. Ouch! Ouch! You think that's funny? Kiki up in the front. Oh, they hear that?
He's a Swiss Shepherd. Yeah, that's cousin. Yeah, thank you, man.
Good.
He's all right. He's Mr. Friendly. He's spreading out of town.
Everybody's moved in because it's expensive everywhere else.
Right.
Yeah.
So I like bit man.
Hey, Wyatt.
So
Wyatt,
this is we do all them things. So come look. Can't breathe in it. Oh shoot! You good?
You all right?
I don't know if y'all saw that. I try to position the camera so y'all can see, but I ain't gonna make it known that. Oh, we on the boardwalk earlier. There's a man dog named Wyatt. I don't know if y'all watch the Haves and Halves or not. That's one of the people who play him, Wyatt. But it's some dirty water. Imagine somebody throw me inside the water. We gotta fight. Hmm?
Something flipped up.
I'm hoping we done for the day. Not you. Because all here is sweating. I just feel so sticky and nasty. And I'm just ready to go. So let's hope it's go time. Turns out it's not home time. Mr. Darren the Explorer wants to explore the rest of the bushes. I'm ready to go, bro. It's raining. Oh, look, I'm hot. That's right now. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. I totally forgot I recorded today. So I didn't do like an outro or anything like that. But I hope you guys like the name that I gave y'all. The DGGs. The Dripping Gold Gang. Okay? Okay. I don't know, I like it. Like, no, I don't think anybody has that. And like, that's my name on Instagram. Like, gold is my thing. So if my fan is dripping in gold like me, you know. So if you like that name, let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to comment because this video was just like, you know, just like it was just what I did today, you know. So any video suggestions you can also comment, or you can DM me on Instagram. All my links to social media will be in the description box. And if you want this here, click this shit. Scalp, honey. Scalp. If you want this hair, link will also be in the description box. Or the link to the video about it will be in the description box. But yeah. See you in my next video.